In this video, we're going to be looking at how to post a question in your Google Classroom. Questions are a great way to use as a check for understanding with your classes. So here's an example we have. If you notice down in the, we're going to go to my classwork tab. And down in Unit 2, I have a question posted. And you can tell it's a question because it has a question mark in the symbol. Now, here I did a multiple choice question asking about triangles, so the kids had to choose which one they thought was the correct answer. You can have a true-false question, an agree, disagree, rate your understanding, anything where it's going to give them a choice. It gives me a nice little graph here so I can see where the majority of my students are selecting their answers. I also attached an image on this one you can see at the bottom. So if we click on that, it just opens up a little preview for the students, and this question was asking them what proof method was this example. So this is what the teacher view looks like, and now this example is what the students actually see. So now we're going to look at how to actually post the question. So we're in our classwork tab. I'm going to scroll up to the Create button. So I click on Create. Here I want to go down to Question. And we're going to ask a question here. So this one I'm going to ask, is side-side angle a proof method that is accepted? So since we're getting feedback on this one, I want to make it a multiple choice question. So down in the bottom left corner it says short answer. I'm going to change that to multiple choice. And then I'm not really going to put any points on mine. So I'm going to click up here where it says points. And I'm going to do ungraded. I just want a little bit of feedback. So now my topic, we're going to go into Unit 3, Triangle Congruences. And here's where you can select if students see the other responses. I don't want my students to see how others are answering, so I'm going to turn that off. Now, down at the bottom, I put in my choices. So this one's just going to be a true-false. So I'm going to type true. And my second one, I'm just going to type false. And down on the side in the right, you see it says ask. So you have to click on that to ask the question. Now you can see where the question appeared right here. If I had wanted to attach an image to this question, over on the three dots, you just click and go to Edit. And then down on the bottom, I can search and go to my drive to get a photo. So if I wanted to attach an image, that image I would have saved on my computer. I would just click on the paperclip here, and it would take me to my computer, documents and images. I could find that image and add it.